Using is learning. Students learn a second language by using it, not being told about it. Reading, writing, speaking are a language. Every lesson should provide opportunities for the student to use the language in the classroom. Thinking and expressing yourself in a second language gives confidence. This is especially true when students believe that their ideas have value, as long as they can give reasons for what they think. Second language teaching material must be related to students' lives and at an appropriate level. Good morning. Please sit. Please sit.
等四川、甘肃、我中所相亲的热点，我们中你咋等这个这边？因做了你因其中做了你有在大型的大第二代因将你路几等些个等过，我做了因看你当下是我一个等，你家一逻辑三等等，这个是不中心。
你们那你们专系的，你们就像这个干的课程都有，然后都专业。
因为俺成都是这样花的牛的，老师们都是在你，俺大陆都就比。
你们那当地是啥？俺们除了个马上买新闻的，大陆都就进了。本来你都投资讲一个开不出个现在的，大家应该是那开发投资的。
年轻人从每个正好站，每个好往那这边进入开人做些的，一起跟他妈讲的呢，因为作为一个中式买办学习，你刚说那个老板把中式那个的啦，你特色呢，让你啦，全都是特别别的学的。
Preparing a lesson well before class is critical. Students know immediately how well the teacher has prepared. Students prepare for a lesson only as well as the teacher has prepared. Okay, what's next, class?
Time.
And how many minutes do we have?
10 minutes.
Okay, 40 and 30. One student, one teacher.
C. 5A.
No.
5C.
No. 4C, 5B, 6C, 7. How many correct answers? C and B. 8A, 9A, 10B. Okay, Nancy and Ronald, please collect papers. What story did you read for today? Gabriel.
Nganya chemo duiser, paye chaka nina deoi. Nitong senggono nga chemo gien do taga. Oyin zintan tarsine. Tiselo nitong jelo, ngarang Philippine nga do ta chemo atineola. Simju homang.
First, I want you to retell the story. So please stand up, put your papers down, retell this interesting story.
맞추다 다급진으로 그러니까 동등의 동등도 깨르거니나 호통만 바니 셜 안디니는 지 정신치들은 판스나는 게 동등도 건다 하스라잖아 한시는이나 또 판스이나 쇼팅이나 동등도 건다 거기까지 그게 와그 나한테 때문에 다시 마신을 차도 때문이나 판스나이나 희지게 판스인가 와가 로그나 디능가 그 나한테 이렇게 와가요 제가 와그 또 지었으면 고아시가 와그 또 사무도 넌 좋겠다 그게 띠다 남바긴 땅아서 정말 동등도 건다 알아면 지니나 호통 판스가 와 저아지 저아지 때문에 나한테 차도 또 판스나 캐셔리 디나 그게 치기다 호토 타마가 그게니나 동등 때라니야 그 학당 사무도 너님 쓰게 디는 거 와가 나한테 나 쇼고 데피나 때 와가 다그도 그게 와가 그게 그렇지나 그게 녀셔때 런더트니 안데 뭐 그렇게 하시다가
그냥 아무 좀 마세요. 근데 파이어 알고나요. 니스토 아니고도 나 저녁에 도착하면 다시니 니스토 저도 필리핀에 도착하면 당하기나 마신 적 그만지. 근데 성도를 놓고 다시라요. 왜인 진짜나 죽어요나 그게 도착하면 거 이거 괜찮아 주더라고요.
Some of you will tell the story.
No.
Pronunciation.
Yes, very good. Pronunciation practice. Let's all stand up. I gave away my story. May I borrow? You can look with Brianna. Okay, let's start with.
Without listening for he turned to himself.
The three men seemed inflexible as they sat reflecting on their own sad condition. The girl was solely looking woman of 27.
Nghe phải cái sự sáng trên cái hồ rồi là trong cái chỗ này rồi này. Như tôi thường như là ngài chỉ ở trong trong này thay sinh thế này, trong một cái thông thạo chuyên chế, thì cái mới để cái 원인 전체심이 더중에 한전이 다 안가라 오픈하러 주시빌리지 그마우실라 하시요.
And what does she say?
And what does she say?
Asked Huadan.
Asked Huadan.
There.
Does she ask you to do as there?
Asked Huadan.
Asked Huadan.
She says I can if I like.
She says I can if I like.
나 유스통엔 미네 미니나 온도 맞네 드니 나 년동어도 머리 총행도 머리 겐데보다는 로준이 오늘이 로준도 이제 오이들 인이네 니 로준 핀제다 모모노 로주시부터는 리기 텐섬저네.
Please look at this. What will we do first? As we're going to do a crossword puzzle. So I want one girl to bring a boy here. A new boy, not an old boy.
Steward, S-T-E-W, steward. Small like pot,
당신은 탄인가를 탄인가를 조절 수 있어야 빨리.
Special. Who doesn't have a puzzle?
그냥 주필 하면서 내가 파이를 스트레스 안 치는 해와 큰 해와 좀
Ngandan tsuno oi liton hobjag oyin dekha nirton psychology na tini ta to parcher je lakani sons tinais que wani que ni to kushu danna desde bada moz danda rani que pai que mama is que da rakshu da.
Noah, please stand up. Noah, you're across 9. Ava, do you know across 10?
Yeah.
Across 9. Distasteful. Distasteful.
Hesitant. Loose.
Okay, thanks, Jose. Who knows the answer to number 7? Yes, very good. Ineffectual.
Ineffectual.
Okay, let's repeat. Please tell me the answer. 3.
Sullen.
Pardon?
Sullen.
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 10.
Reflecting.
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 Students are young. They get tired in the classroom. They need to go outside and be active. Then they can focus again on the lesson.
민영아이나 선생님 찌찌네가 성은 정치는 거 그렇게 지들 좀 서로 마시는 요는 니통치고로 나나 성은 정치는 머리대 그 원진 전진나다 원주디 그렇게 더 당스 근데 협종 그 조니 땅 엄마마서 그다 정거러니 디 월메르 사차 다 원포가 사차 때문에 어럭주까지 리즈 마즈리오는 나이나 리즈 니비뇨.
What do you think these are? Cody.
I think these are questions.
Yes.
Some questions and some crossword puzzle.
What do you think?
Questions and some questions.
Right. Okay. Come here with a new partner. What do you do? Are you new partners?
Значит, это чарли кунутлоко там же зилармада та жигни там же кнани тоя хашитомда хоту релижен та чики тоя лантавна даразка тоя та тамда хоту релижен та латинони цошик даразка самну то кундиязы ти там же та колармада ти жигни ранг самну чемда там же та кунавна чизишако там же ти ченсуко тanga шичин чиз тимкоко те маза хоту релижен та ранг катасер китани ранг да янчи таянна чоко шокантани 소미 진짜지 니에도 혹시가 하장 제시를 약간 주셨는데 대마저 담적도 하면 당아 조치는 날이나 라는데 손가지 니에도 꼬테 셈시 지주도 하장 판다요 그러더래
소나무 치는데 이거 하루스라 같이 주도 정말 주도 치는
Because of the fear that other people will say something of those things in the hand. So he can tell me to fry.
Okay, let's sit, please. Okay, what do you want to say about the story? What do you have to say? Okay, great. Blake, let's start with you.
Because I think this story is realistic. From the relationship between the siblings, I can see there's no love between the siblings. For the brothers used to say their sister like, why don't you be Anna, or why don't you go live with your sister? And also I learned a lesson from this story. When Huamu was despaired about his life and was going to suicide, and at the end he was saved by a doctor. I learned that there's no one help you unless you help yourself.
Very, very much. Because I think I understand the people's suffering, and they get illness at that time, and their lives is very difficult, and they have no food to survive. And most of people's relationship will change with the change of the society and their situation. So, and I don't like the brothers of Arnold. They don't care about her, and they left her in their old house, and they don't care about her. And I like Richard very much, and he's a great doctor, and he's a great man. He saved from dangers, and he's very kind to him. So if you want to survive in the society and the difficult situation, you need other people's help, and you should be brave and have the courage.
I don't like this story because there are some questions I have. And how did the three brothers and etc. During death, and also what happened to their stepmother? And in the story, it said also the Huamo turned against her father after he remarried the woman, and we don't know why. And also and in the story said, and at the end of the story said he doesn't love her, and he didn't intend to love her. But why is he always watching her whenever she was walking or she was working? Yes, like this. I don't like this story.
I like this story very much because at first Rinchi is a really kind man, and he at first he rescued Huamo's life, and also in this story I think Huamo is very kind. Even her brothers make careless about her. He never did hit her brothers. According to me, I think if my brothers made careless about me, I will hit him. And also this story teaches a lesson for us. And brothers and sisters should take care about their siblings, and also in this world, everybody should care about each other. Our life will be better.
Teaching a second language is not like teaching other subjects. Teaching a second language, if the lesson is going to hold the student's interest, must be devoted to letting them use the target language in the classroom. The teacher must not be the center of the lesson. Students must be given every opportunity to use the language in the classroom.